charming 2-bedroom/2 baths with a spacious loft is centrally located in the heart of Boca Raton.Quaint and peaceful community, close to shopping, restaurants, easy access to major highways and our beautiful beaches.The eat-in kitchen has granite countertops, tile backsplash and a nice size cooking island.The natural lit breakfast area overlooks the garden with the beautiful foliage and flowers.The minute you walk into the great room, you will appreciate the volume ceilings and all the natural light coming through the windows from both sides of the room.The spiral staircase leading to the loft, is currently being used as a guest room but could also be a great office. Master suite on the ground floor, very bright and overlooking the peaceful garden.